Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this very simple and easy to make black soap for glowing skin. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching. First off, to make this black soap, of course we'll be needing our raw African black soap. This is the raw African black soap, and this is what we're going to be using to make the black soap. And first off, we're going to start by melting the black soap. And to melt this black soap, I'm going to be making use of a carrier oil. I'm using olive oil. You can choose to use any other carrier oil of your choice. So to dissolve the black soap, we're going to start by adding our olive oil into the raw African black soap. We're going to spread it into the raw African black soap. And then we're going to make sure that the black soap sits well in the oil. Now the next step is to use the double boiling method to dissolve the black soap. So we're going to drop our bowl of black soap inside a pot of boiling water. The heat from the water is going to help us melt and dissolve the black soap. We are going to keep stirring this continuously as the black soap dissolves. As you can see, our black soap is already dissolving. It's already looking very good. Now I'm going to take it off the heat once it completely dissolves. As you can see, the black soap is so fluffy and soft. Now we're going to be adding the rest of the ingredients into this melted black soap for us to have our black soap that will give us that beautiful glowing skin. So right now it's time to add our other ingredients. The first ingredient I'm going to be adding into this black soap is shea butter. Shea butter is extremely moisturizing. It is not expensive and it is very easy to get and very popular too. So I'm going to be adding shea butter into our black soap for moisturizing benefits. The next thing to do is to dissolve the shea butter. Just drop it in a pot of boiling water and it's going to dissolve gradually. Sorry, I didn't show that part. So after dissolving the shea butter, this is what it will look like. It will look like oil, and then you can add it into the black soap and it's going to mix better with the black soap as it is melted. After adding that in, the next ingredient we're adding is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is also extremely moisturizing. It will help with reviving dull skin. And so we're going to be adding the aloe vera gel into our black soap and shea butter. Once they are added into the black soap, we're going to give the black soap a quick mix so that they are well combined. And then after giving it a good mix, we're going to add our other ingredients. The full list of the ingredients used in this recipe and their measurements will be somewhere at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss that. And now we are going to add some other ingredients into our black soap. The next ingredient we are adding in is honey. Honey is also a moisturizer. It will help to draw and lock moisture into the skin. Honey will help to soothe and relieve dryness of the skin. So right now we are going to add the honey into the black soap, which we already added shea butter and aloe vera gel. This is raw and pure honey. Make sure you get a good grade and quality of honey so that it will give you the maximum benefit of the honey. After adding the honey in, we're going to add our next ingredient, which is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is an amazing ingredient for aging skin. Sandalwood powder will help with wrinkles, fine lines, sun damage, and so on. So we're going to be adding this into our black soap also to give us all of that good benefits. Sandalwood powder will also help to mildly exfoliate the skin, so it is so good for the skin. Our next ingredient is turmeric powder. Apart from the fact that turmeric powder has brightening benefits, turmeric powder also has antibacterial and antifungal property. It can help battle acne and acne breakouts and also brighten the skin. We are also going to add our turmeric powder into our black soap. We are using just few but amazing ingredients. The next ingredient we are using is camwood powder. Camwood powder also has anti-aging benefits, but apart from that, it can help to improve the skin texture, the skin tone, and also help with fine lines, wrinkles, and so on. So we're going to be adding our camwood powder also into our black soap. After adding in the Camwood powder, we are also going to give this a very good mix to ensure that all the ingredients are well combined, and then we have a very fluffy black soap. This black soap has just very few ingredients, but it is so amazing for the skin. It will help with aging skin, it will help to glow the skin, it will help to achieve even skin tone and even skin texture. And here is the full recipe as promised. You can take a screenshot and make sure to follow this recipe when making yours. This is a body soap. You can use this both day and night, and trust me, you will love your skin after using this. If you watched this video till this point, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you did, please hit that like button, drop a comment, ask your questions, and I'll definitely answer them. Subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on more amazing recipes like this one. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye and see you in my next video.